Hi people with the spirit of Ning, thank you very much for coming back into my YouTube channel. My name is Angga Rizky and now we're gonna learn how to design and how to code for the Android development. In the very first video that we have been learning how do we prepare the user interface design for the home pages. And in this video I'm going to bring you to design another pages for the photo category that we're gonna use recycle view, snap helper, and then animation. I'll be honest with you that it's gonna be hard, it's gonna be very tough, but just go through of it step by step with me. And right now I have been designing for that. I have been preparing for those characters based on the gesture that you might have to download them in the video's description. Okay people, with the spirit of Ning, let's get started.
So this is the new design of the category. So whenever the user is clicking on this button, and then they're gonna come over here, then they're able to selecting the category. Okay, so it's gonna be like animation, but it's gonna be hard because we're gonna use the recycle view, and then we're gonna use the snap helper for this animation. Okay, but let's go through of it step by step. Okay, so first of all I have to create another activity over here, activity, and then for the empty activity, and I call it like photo cat activity. Okay, and then finish. And it's because I'm using the GitHub, so I have to adding the another file over here. So okay, so this is a new activity, and then we have to prepare the design as well based on the Adobe XD. So it's like a text view, and then there is the recycle view, and then this is the button. Okay, so first of all I have to prepare a text view over here, which is raw content, and then I have to prepare a button, which is just make it raw content as for now. And the one more thing that we have to include is the recycle view. So if you click here, there is no recycle view because we don't have we haven't including on here. So basically I just want to simply copy this support compat, and then I just want to put over here, which is for the recycler view. So then you just need to sign in. So one is done, and then we have close it, and you have to put the recycle view here. There is the recycle view, and I'm going to make it a match parent, and this is for draw warp content. Okay, just like that. And then we need the ID for this recycle view, which is my catalyst. Okay, means category. So let me write it first. So this is for the text view, and then you just need to follow. Do not forget to change the font family, and then give the text color for the color primary drag. This is the color primary, and then the text size is about a 24. And then in the recycle view we have to give the ID. So this ID that we're gonna use into a Java to reserve the content from another adapter. Okay, and then yeah, this is the properties and under of the text view. Okay, and then we got the buttons, but this button is we need to customize the background with a drawable. So yeah, let's go to RES and then a drawable, and over there we're going to design a drawable here, which is background button black. Okay, and I saw in the dot menu we just need to copy them, and then we can just paste here. Yeah, just like this. And right now I have to go back again into the button and background BG button black. Okay, and there we are. There is a button. Wow, looks amazing, right? So for this recycle view we have to create another Java class to contains the design, but before that we have to go to layout And then I am going to make a new layout resource file for the item menu. Okay, and we're heading to the text here, and in this item menu, instead of using the constraint layout, I'm going to use the linear layout. And then we have to give the orientation to the vertical, just like that. And then here I'm going to make another linear layout that I will wrap it maybe 150 dp. Okay, and this is supposed to be our wrap content, and then this is supposed to give the orientation, which is vertical. And inside of this linear layout, there is the image view and there is the text view. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the setting for the item menu, and there is the image view with the ID icon images, and then this is for the icon title. And then we have to copy all of those, the gesture of the character, into our drawable. So in the drawable that we are able to access them over here, like maybe for the end, for an example that we could use, like icy juicy. Okay, and there is so cute. Wow. And if you see in the design, the design is about 120. Okay, so this one's supposed to be 130 and this one 130. Okay, and then you see, like, you know, the design is not enough for the space, so we should give this to the 150. Okay, like this. And then yeah, it's not enough. Okay, cool. And we have to give this a title for the 18, but the font family, it has to be Montserrat regular. Okay, and then for the color, text color, supposed to be color primary dark. Okay, and the margin top is a 20, is a 12. Okay, it's done actually. And then we just need to paste it into adapter. So in the Java over here, that we're gonna create another Java class that we called catus. Okay, catus is like category, but we could just use catus. Okay, this is for the categories. Okay, and then here that we have to provide the for the string, which is icon title, and then we need integer icon images. Okay, and then it's gonna be much easier for us, actually, just getter and then setter, all of them like this. And then we have to generate the constructor for all of them like this. Okay, and I think I missed something here that we have to, yeah, okay, that's done. No, it's not missing. I'm sorry. So yeah, this is for the catus Java. Now we gonna create another Java class for the adapter, so catus adapter. Okay, and then in the public class we have to extend into the recycle view and then adapter like this. Okay, as for now, just leaving first. And then in this section we have to create, so we're gonna create like class for catus view holder, and you see there's the red alert, so you just need to simply to click over here until this coming up, just like this. And then here that we have to register a view holder, catus adapter and then catus view holder, and still you able to see the red alert here. So you just need to implement the methods and all of them, so it just simply, right? And then the first thing that we're gonna do to inflate the layout first, but before that we have to prepare another variable, which is context, and then context here, and then we have to use the array list. So you'll see there is list for the catalyst, and then you have to prepare another function like this that we're gonna use it into our main activity. Okay, so as for now we have to register a couple of things here, that like text view. This is for the icon title. Okay, and then image view. This is for the icon images, right? And then over here we're gonna access them with the item view, because we're not able to access the another layout without this item view. And then here in the onCreate view holder we have to paste the inflate layout. Okay, so basically this is layout inflator from the context, and this is item menu that we prepare over here, and then that we're gonna use it into our activity. And then here for node we use the Ketos view holder. So this is new like this, and then we have to inspect to the view. Okay, just like this, and then we have to return this one from the content that we have. Okay, so here I'm going to make like catalyst and then size. Okay, so the item would be based on the size of the catalyst, and then here that I'm going to make like Ketos and then Ketos, and then here supposed to be catalyst, and then get position, this one. Okay, which is E. Okay, sorry, which is I. And then here Ketos view holder like this, and then icon title and set text, and this is for the icon title, and this is for the icon images. Okay, so everything is done actually, that we just need to focus into the main activity. But as for now I have to go back again into this build grader, because we're gonna use something that we need to request API 23 for the minimum. So that's why I'm going to write 23 here and then sync. So it is done for the 23, but if you come back again into Ketos adapter, it might be deprecated, but it doesn't matter, you're still able to use it. But maybe in the next time that I have to figure out the other way to replace these deprecated things. Okay, so as for now we have to go back into main activity, go back here, and then we have to declare for recycle. Okay, sorry, not main activity, but in the photo category activity. Okay, so here we have to declare the variable for the recycle view. After we register like this for the variable, we need to declare the array list. So catalyst new array list, and then catalyst add, because we're gonna add manually here. So the first parameter is for the title, which is juicy, and then the second parameter is a drawable, and then this is for the IC juicy. Okay, and then we need more and more until wait so this done 1 2 3 4 5. So we need to copy all of them until 5 items, 1 2 3 4 5, and edit them based on the design that we have. So this is for the category, and then we add 1 2 3 4 5 6 items, and yeah, based on the design. Do not forget to change this drawable. Okay, so after that we have to find the catalyst. So basically, if you see in our activity photo category, there is category that we called my catalyst. Okay, So as for now, we have to go back into the photo activity. So my catalyst is fun RID my catalyst. Okay, and we need to register here my catalyst. Okay, and now after that, have to declare the linear layout manager, because we're gonna use the horizontal, and then you have to use the set has fixed size because we're gonna get the position later on, and this is to inflate the adapter. Okay, so right now I think we're gonna try it to run into the emulator, but you'll see that we're not able to click the button, right? So that's why I have to go back into main activity and then looking for the button, this one, button add photo, and this one, right? And then under this give an event, sorry, to next activity. Okay, so button add photo, we have to give the set on click listener, new view on click listener, and then we're gonna use intent A. We're gonna import the classes, and then and new intent from the main activity this into the to the photo class. Okay, and then start activity A. Okay, let's try again. So if I click any button over here, like maybe like find a friend, it's gonna be come here, right? And there's a lot. Okay, so as for now, I have to figure out later on, maybe in the next video, if I click this button it goes to the photo activity, but if I click here it goes to the find a friend activity. Okay, so this is at the photo, and then what is your activity today? So we're gonna try to select it by the snap helper. Okay, so right now I have to go back into this item menu. I have to scale this image view, just scale X to 0.5, and then scale 0.5. okay, and then setting the alpha to the 0.5. okay, and then for this text view we have to give the alpha to the 0. Okay, so we have to go back here, and I have to give the padding left. Padding left is about 150 dp, so I'm going to make it to the middle. I think it's supposed to be 7. Okay, cool. And then I give the padding right. The padding right is supposed to be same like this. Yeah, and then I have to clip the padding false, because I'm not going to clipping those items based on the padding. Okay, is this true for the clip padding? Yeah. Okay, clip to padding false. Okay, and we try again. So if we click here, and then you see the item is start from the center, but if we scroll here we still able to see, and I think 170 is just a big deal, you know. So I think I have to decrease by 140, and then this one 140. I think so. If we select to the last item, you see, wow, I think just go with 100 instead. Okay, so it has be center, and then it has be center. It's perfect well. So there is something that we gonna do in the main activity, but sorry, in the photo category activity. It's all about the snapper. Okay, snap helper. Yeah, so over here that we're gonna create another function. It's called snapping from Google. So if you see in the Google Play Store and in anywhere, if you scrolling, it's gonna be very smooth, because the item will help the user to scroll it. Okay, So right now I'm going to make another function again, which is my catalyst, and then add on scroll listener, and then new recycle view on scroll listener, and you have to select this. Okay, and then we're gonna okay them, and just like this. Okay, and we're gonna try again into the emulator. So if you are scrolling, there is the helper from the Google, like maybe just like this, and then it's gonna be to the center, and then just like this, or even just like this, yeah, and just like this. Okay, like this, and then like this, and then like this. Okay, so there is the helper from the Google. So I think the margin is just so huge for the distance. So let me go back into item menu, and we have to settings the margin right here. Okay, so the margin right is only a 5 density pixel like this, and then we see that if you see here, there is one item and two item, and this is supposed to be bigger, right? And you see here, this is supposed to be bigger, and you see here, and you see here, and you see here, and you see here. Okay, amazing. Okay, so right now I have to go back into our photo activity, because we're gonna animate here for the scalable and then for the alpha. Okay, so we are using the condition here after the super stats. So basically we use the if else if the item has been highlighted, and then we have to give this animation, but else if the item hasn't highlighted, so we have to come back again into 0.5 0.5, as the default like this is all 0.5 and this is 0. So if you click here, and then there is the alpha 0 for the title. Okay, so right now let's go to try it. Hopefully it's gonna be working. So if I click this one at photo, you'll see that the item is not working unless we have to on scroll stage changes, right? So that's why we have to give them this first child this animation. Okay, what we're gonna use is the timer, but as for now we're gonna try first. Wow, wow, amazing. Wow, guys, look at this, guys, it's real. So this the animation with the recycle view and then snap helper. Wow, wow. Cool. Okay, so right now I'm going to copy this, just copy, and then you have to set the timer by yourself that I have been provide for you. So basically this is the handler after the 1 millisecond actually. Okay, this is I set 1 millisecond. Okay, so like this, and then we have to give the recycle view, but this is supposed to be default. So basically it's not a default here, just a view holder, but this is a view holder default. Okay, and then everything is default for the item number position 0. Okay, this is 0. The first item is called 0, it's not 1. This is 1, but this is 0. Okay, so yeah, this is the programming code that you're gonna use to set the timer to setting the default item. So let's go ahead to try it into the emulator. So you will see after I click this, you see, wow, there is an animation. Okay, amazing. Now I'm going to make something TD up for this button, and I think this button I forgot to change it, so let me go to activity, and then this button supposed to give the font family MM medium. Okay, so cool. And then we have to go back again into the photo category activity, and I'm going to register that button, and then button continue, like that. And then here button continue RID button. Where is the button continue? I forgot to give the ID. Oh, button save cat. Oh my god, sorry guys, supposed to be button save cat. Okay, looks cool. And then we have to setting this here, animate alpha 0. Okay, we don't have to use animate actually in this timer, just set alpha 0. Okay, and then after I finish scrolling, after the scroll has been changed, so we have to change to the button save cat set alpha 1, and then we have to give the animation, which is BTT. Okay, do we have the animation here? No, we don't have. So I think I have to come back here to copy this animation into photo category. Okay, just like that. And then I have to come back again into main activity to get this BTT. Okay, copy, and we come back to photo, and then I have to put here. Okay, cool. So here, after we setting the alpha to the 1, and then btn save cat start animation, which is BTT. But if the item it's in the scrolling, so we have to give this one set alpha to the 0. So you understand what I mean? So first we have to give the button save to the alpha to the 0 because we don't want to user to continue it. Okay, no, I'm sorry, I was wrong. So actually we don't have to do that, so just let it. But in the after scroll has been changed, so we have to give the alpha to the 1, and then whenever it has been scrolled, we have to give alpha to the 0. Okay, let's go ahead to try it into the emulator. So if I click add photo, so where is the button continue? Oh my god, I have to do like that first. So if I add photo and then there is no button continue, and it is bug. This is bug. Okay, so we have to give the button save category to be appear over there. So I think that I have to go back here, and then in the timer here, the timer button save category animate, and then alpha to the 1, and set duration 100, and then start. Okay, so if I click add photo here, and there is button that we could continue, and then here is this for the snorkeling, and then shopping, and then travel, and then door prize. Wow, it looks amazing guys. So if I click here like this, and then select even find a friend, and then add photo, and then I have to select my activity for today, either snorkeling, shopping, study, travel, or get a dot press. Cool, thank you.
Okay people, with the spirit of me, I hope that was amazing for you, and please do let me know if you do have some question regarding on this tutorial. And if you like this video, please consider to hit that red subscribe button because it's gonna help me to growing up, and then share this video tutorial with your friends. Okay, people with the spirit of Ning, I'll see you in the next video. So goodbye for now. Bye.